Shenxane, yeah, you got it right, Romy. But Thabo would suffice because I know it can be very difficult to pronounce my surname. So, good morning, colleagues. My name is Thabo Shenxane. I'm also from the AIDC Eastern Cape. I'm the Chief Executive Officer. Ricardo has already mentioned, I think, the reasons why we are pursuing this part of the value chain. For me, I would just like to, advise the colleagues online that we are an entity of the provincial government whose main mandate is to work with the automotive industry to crowd in investments, mainly foreign investment, as it were, for now, and also advise our province on how better to position itself as an assembler of choice for OEMs and tier suppliers. Our work is guided by the South African Automotive Industry Master Plan, which was developed by DTIC. And our role there is to make sure that those pillars and those objectives of the master plan are implemented in the Eastern Cape. As you might be aware, there is a lot of talk now around transformation issues in the automotive industry. But really, the narrative around the industry always starts and stops at the OEM level and tier one, tier supplier level. So we've decided to introduce the bottom part of the value chain, which is more the aftermarket, more the franchises. And we really want to create a narrative where opportunities in that space are brought to the public domain. And we encourage HDIs, historically disadvantaged people, and those that could not afford to set up their supply networks, maybe to pick up buying franchises and see if they could be entrepreneurs at that level. And this is also activated by the Competition Commission's guidelines, which have really forced the automotive industry to relook its empowerment model. It's unbundling opportunities that could be made available to other sectors of the population. So that's essentially why we're particularly grateful for FASA for agreeing to work with us on this. And our chairperson is on the line, so I will not say much. Thank you very much, Romani.